Maniniwala ba kayo na sa gitna ng city ng Warsaw ay merong aqua park? Ayan, nagbus lang kami at naglakad papunta dito sa park. Share namin sa inyo dahil summer dito sa Warsaw, so madami ka pa rin pupuntahan for the kids na di naman kamahalan, minsan libre pa. So kahapon yung aqua park na pinuntahan namin ay libre lang naman. So nag-enjoy si Erin sa tubig doon until 7. Normally hanggang 9 o'clock ang sunset dito. So talagang may enjoy mong araw. Ngayon ay magtatanghaling tapat pa lang at dito pa lang kami lumabas. And this park is gonna be open until 7 PM. So share namin sila sa inyo. Yun yung aking mag-ama. So, ayan, pwede ka rin magdala ng bike. So, hindi kami nag-bike kasi ayaw namin mapagod. So, dalawang bus lang naman, mga 20 minutes away lang kami dito sa park na ito. At yes, kalagitnaan siya ng city. Pero convenient naman. Ayan, pipilit tayo kasi may ticket. So, para siyang 40 zloty for the normal ticket. Ito yung pangalan ng Aqua Park. Park Vodne. Ayan, so chinek lang naman yung bags namin kung may alcohol. Tapos pagpasok mo, ayan, meron ng lockers na pwede mong i-rent. Dito ay, I think that's the entrance. Dito siya nag-ano before, ice skating. Ayan, so ito na. O, diba? Ang daming tao. Pagkain. And then may slide. Park, may... Yes, excited na si Bagets. Let's go around. It's open until 7. Don't worry.
Mommy,
Ayan. Huh? Of course there's a toilet. And here, there's the toilet. A soccer field. And ayan, there's a swimming pool. time to go now. How was your day?
My dates with Daddy was fun.
Only with Daddy?
And Mommy. I had a date tomorrow with Daddy.
Yes, because Mommy was working.
Mommy was like
Goodbye! See you
Mommy.
again. Sulit na sulit naman ang...
Mommy was like crazy on the internet.
was like crazy. How do I look like? What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
You look like a hacker.
I hack your bank account, Eri. Bye-bye! Just gonna take the bus.